told me to wait right here. She promised she would come back.
The thick fog makes the cold bite a little harder tonight, doesn't it?
I don't need any help. I am just waiting for my mom.
I understand. Waiting in the dark always makes the time feel incredibly slow. This bench is awfully big for one. May I share this light with you? You do not have to talk. We can just sit here quietly together. The fog likes to hide things, but it cannot chase away this golden light.
My mom told me that the light always guides people back home.
Your mother sounds like a very wise woman. She is absolutely right about that.
But what if the light is too small for her to see it?
Love has a funny way of finding its way through the darkest fog.
I want to believe you, but my heart feels very heavy right now.
That is okay. I will help you carry the weight until she arrives.
I broke the ticket she gave me. Now she will never find me. It ripped because I pulled too hard. I ruined everything that matters most. A broken ticket means the train will never stop to take me home.
Do you truly believe a piece of paper is stronger than her love? A paper ticket only guides the wheels, but love always drives the engine. She would walk through 1,000 cold storms just to find your hand.
I do not have to hide my mistake from her anymore, do I?
True love forgives every broken thing and welcomes you back with open arms.
Leo. Oh, my precious boy. I have been searching everywhere for your face. Mommy. You came back for me even though I lost my yellow ticket. I will never leave you behind, no matter how thick the fog gets. Let us finally go home together now, because the storm is entirely over.
Perhaps you are also sitting in the dark, clutching a very broken piece. Subscribe to the Unveiled Wisdom to keep walking toward your own bright horizon.